huge.
Sure, I think it's B-17 flying missions. Pressurized cockpit, keeping everybody warm, able to make long missions. Never did serve in Europe.
Here we go on the right, Steve. This is just looking great.
This looks like another photo pass. We'll see the gear down there.
I'm not sure if Mr. Steve is in the cockpit today, that thing. But boy, the other day when they had her out here, they had her cranked up and running, just like they do right now. Check this out from the right. Let's watch right out front. There we go. Along with its sister flying B-29 today, we set out in the same field up there at China Lake, is correct? Where they were actually targeting right now on approach. It is very similar to that cockpit. And the windows play some tricks on our crew members up front there. They have to look out of a certain window, otherwise the whole sight picture changes. You want to talk about that, Steve?
Yes, how it works alongside the pilot and co-pilot.
Well, they made it look really easy down there. Look at that. In the words of the great old Waldo Pepper, they're settling it in like an old maid crawling into a song. And I'll tell you what. This is our chance to bring them home correctly. Our honor flight today, the Old Glory honor flight, we're coming back to our Vietnam veterans, returning back here to Air Show at the end of today's show. So a big welcome home, please enjoy. Rick, what do we have coming up here with Polaris?
Turning the outers off.
As he takes a picture. Look at that, just bumped the starter a little.